Hello everybody! Hi, it's Teacher Mark again, and today is Wednesday. On Monday, we did social studies, remember? Yesterday was Tuesday, and we started our English grammar review of nouns, but we didn't finish because we ran out of time. Today is Wednesday, and we are going to finish that exercise. So, before we get started, let's remember, what do we need? First, you need the same worksheet from yesterday. Yesterday, we finished writing the nouns under the correct columns. Teacher Mark did half, and you were supposed to do the other half for homework. Now, looking at the bottom, you can see letter B. That's what we're doing today. We're going to write the plural form of each of the following nouns. So you need this worksheet. Also, you need your project student book. Yesterday we didn't get to do this. Today we are. Because I want you to get your student book, and I want you to open your student book to page number 11. This is number 11. I'm going to hold the book here. Make sure you can see it. This is where we stopped in class. Okay, this is page 11. The top, all of the students should have written already in the classroom on the test. You will have a test on this. This is page 11 in your student book. Okay, and this is important. We did it in the classroom, and now I'm going to check and see if you remember. Okay, we are on page 11. I have stars next to the bottom 4. I'm going to explain everything. Make sure you have this book with you. We are on page number 11. Okay? Great. Now, let's get started. We're going to use this with our worksheet. Okay? Here are my answers. Here is my worksheet, and we're going to use it together. Look behind me. On the whiteboard, I have the same thing that's on your worksheet. Okay? Write the plural form of the nouns. Now, before we start, there's a secret rule, top secret, and it's not in your project student book. You need to look over here, okay? Look at this box. Do you see the rectangle? S, X, CH, and SH. If any of these words end with this letter, you're going to add an ES. That's a secret rule that's not in your project book. So you need to make sure, if you want to take a photo, this is a top secret rule that you must remember. It's not in your project book, so understand that, okay? Now, I'm going to use my student book to help me, because sometimes I forget how to spell, and looking in my book is the best way to remember how to spell something. Look at the first word. Man. Man is irregular. And if you look here in my book, a man, that's one man. But if you have more than one, it becomes men. And I'm going to write that on the line. M-E-N, okay? The E is what changes. You need to be careful, okay? Do you see it? Man and men, it's different. Looking in your book, a man, two men, okay? Now, boy, that's normal, and all you do is add S, boys. B-O-Y-S. Make sure you put the S there, boys. 5 boys, 6, 7, 255 million boys with an S. Person. That is another special word. I'm looking here. A person. And it changes when you have more into people. So how do you spell people? P-E-O. P-L-E. People. Okay? Do you understand what I'm doing? I'm changing the noun into a plural. More than one. Cookie. Ooh, I love cookies. My favorite cookie is chocolate chip macadamia nut. Those are the best. But if I want more than one cookie, I need to add the letter S. C-O-O-K-I-E-S. Look at the S. You see it? Check your spelling. Flower is the next word, and my mom has a beautiful garden. She's growing azaleas and hydrangeas. Those are the names of flowers with an S. I'm going to write flower with an S for more than one. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Look at the S. Check and make sure you have the S. Child. Uh-oh. This is a special word. Looking at my book again, page 11, student book. A child. That's one. But if you have more than one, it becomes children. 3. 1, 2, 3. Children. Look at how you spell it. Write it on the line. Children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. Okay? Check your spelling. Sun. That is the big ball of gas in the sky, in their solar system. Sun. Now there's only one, but if we lived in another galaxy and there was more than one sun, it would be suns with an S. S-U-N-S. Suns. Okay? Next one, woman. Ooh, that's another special word. I'm looking, here it is. A woman. That's one person. But if you have more than one, what happens? How do you spell it? The A changes to an E, woman, W-O-M-E-N, just like man and men, okay? I'm going to write that on the line. W-O-M-E-N. Okay, just like men, woman, look at that E in the middle. That should change, okay? Be very careful. Woo! Now I'm going to jump to the next side. Fox. F-O-X. Ooh! Do you remember the secret rule? Bum, 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 bum. Look, how do you spell fox? I see an X. X. That means we add E-S. So I'm going to spell foxes with an E-S. F-O-X-E-S. E-S. Because there's an X here. Okay, it's a secret rule. Foxes. That's the plural form. Class. Ooh, look, I see an S. Class ends in S. S. Do you see? This word ends in S. We need to add ES. Okay? Here we go. Classes. C-L-A-S-S-E-S. Do you see the ES? Okay? It's a secret rule, and it's not in your project book. You need to write it down. Bench. B-E-N-C-H. Look, C-H. C-H. That's a secret rule. What do you add? You add E-S. Benches. B-E-N-C-H-E-S. Okay? Wish. W-I-S-H. Whoa! S-H. That's another one. What are you gonna do? Add E-S. Wishes. W-I-S-H-E-S. Wishes. I watched a movie last night named The Wish Dragon on Netflix, and the little boy had 3 wishes. You should watch it. It's a great movie. Church. Church is a place where I go on Sundays. Church. Church. Look. C-H-U-R-C-H. C-H. There should be a light bulb going off. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, I know what to do. Let's add E-S. Churches. C-H-U-R-C-H-E-S. Glass. Ends in an S. A drinking glass of water. Okay, glasses. Let's spell it with an E-S. G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Woo! 2 more. Here we go. Box. B-O-X. Box ends in X. You need to add an E-S. 4 boxes, 5 boxes, 10, 12, 3 million boxes. B-O-X. E-S. Don't forget. Kiss. Ew, gross, Teacher Mark. Stop that. Kiss. If you want to give a lot of kisses, mwah, you need to write it with an E-S. K-I-S-S-E-S. All right? So, make sure you're all taking a look. There should be an E-S, 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 E-S at the end of those words. Okay? Remember to use this book. And by now, you should be finished with this worksheet. Okay? Tomorrow we're going to do something different. But until then, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.